Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a book cover for KDP summary book or anything. We sometimes need book cover for uh, KDP or for our own freelancing works or for many reasons, for our own work, for our own ebook. We sometimes need to do designing uh, for ebook cover. So to do that, we can use Canva, which is very popular. Uh, Almost everyone nowadays they use Canva. I'm a bit weird, right? If I'm okay, uh, out of the topic, please use gloves so that it can make you comfortable while you are beside while you are using your computer. Anyway, diving into the topic. So we will when we are gonna design book cover, click here, create design. You can create many things. There are lots of options. So I'm going to search for book. You see book cover, book creator cover, portrait cover, square cover, a booklet. So anyway, we will design book cover. This is a standard size. Is for 1410 and into 2250. This is an this is an standard size. So this is a blank page. Here we will be on board when we'll click book cover. You see there are lots of templates. These are available in template section. Here it is. There are lots of templates. We can select one. I always recommend to select one of the designs available here because it's professional, it looks professional. It was designed by professionals. If you wanted to design, for example, this beautiful cover in fiber market or Upwork market, they would charge lots of money, right? It's very simple, but they would charge $50 to $100, so you are getting it for free. But if you want to make your own book cover, you can do that. But I always recommend to use something like this. You may ask, how can you find your own niche? You can search by manually scrolling down and down, but or you can search like that. For example, America. Oh, there is no America. Okay. For example, if your niche is food, you'll see lots of uh, book cover letter for foods, lots of templates here. So we are going to choose one of them. Which one? It's confusing because there are lots of uh, templates, right? I think this one looks good. If you want to try some other, you can add page and try another. For example, this. See which one looks good. If you think no, the previous one was better, delete it. You can delete by clicking here. So this is the you can edit here. You can edit by this. It's simple. Just click on the later it will give you an edit option. You see, yeah, drag and drop. Everything is drag and drop. If you want to change the color, you can click here and then on the color. If you want to make it red, then red. If you want to make like this, I think it suits better. Like if you want to make it red or yellow. For example, we choose this, okay? Then we can change the color here. Just click on here, click on the color, choose this, right? You can change this font style too. It's collective. You can change open extra bold, open extra bold. Now we want to change our own product. Okay. If you want to change our own product, let's see if we have an image. No foods. For example, this is the product. Now there is one thing. If you want to change the background color, you can do that. But if you have Canva Pro, then you can do that. Otherwise, you can't. You see, it's very easy. Very easy. How did I do that? Click on here, the object, the product image. Click on edit image. Click on BG remover, that means background. It will automatically remove the background. Now, just make it, crop it down, make it something bigger. If you want, you can just make it something, rotate it. Now, here it is. Make something bigger. Okay. It doesn't need to be. It can be a product. It doesn't need to be a food or something. Okay. You can say buy now. You can make it extra and just turn on. Buy now. Okay. You can edit like this if you want to make something bigger. You can see. Now you can see. Look, the space is getting broad. You see, line space can be brought if it is two line. So you can change your website www.mydomain.com. Yeah, see, it's pretty simple, right? Now how can you download it? We have to change that sign your mouth. No, I don't know what the thing is. I developed it long time ago. So you can buy our product. You can write anything actually. Now you can just click on share, click on download, click on JPG. You can make it 100% quality or 80% is enough. Now download. You can see it's downloading. Okay, I can download and you don't know use use it, right? So that was pretty much simple, right? That is how you can create a product. That was all about our tutorial today. Thank you.